Good morning, everyone. Today we're back at Knott's Berry Farm, Scary Farm, starting in just a few weeks. For our weekly park update, we're going to walk around, see what decorations have been put up, what rides are under refurbishment, and whatever else new that we see. Maybe some new merchandise. Silver Bullet is going by. Let's head on in here to Knott's Berry Farm. So if you know, you know. I believe this is Kevin, but Kevin hasn't been wearing his name tag. He used to be in Camp Snoopy, and then he was at the fountain, and then he was in the window of the factory store. Now he's at Virginia's. We need to get Kevin a name tag. Here it is, the first scare cloth of the season. Ghost Town Alive officially ended on Monday of this week on Labor Day for the season. Now, will it be back next year? We'll have to wait and see. But if you want to see that final hoedown on what happened at the end, we put a video up on Monday. It's a really good video. Check it out. The Stagecoach is still down for maintenance. I think we told you last week that they had moved up the date and it would be open sooner, but the website's now saying 9/22 again. So this will be closed for a few more weeks as they redo the track on it. Some ride closures we'll tell you about right now. The Stagecoach behind us is closed through 9/22. I have to take my glasses off because I can't see. The Sky Cabin through 9/13. The Carousel de California 9/2 through 9/6, which is, oh, it's already past the 6th. So we'll see if that's open. The Sky Cabin 9/2 through 9/8, that's Tuesday. Xcelerator 9/2 through 9/19. Ghost Rider 9/8 through 9/19. Dragon Swing 9/8 through 9/17, open Thursday through Sunday. The Log Ride 9/9 through 9/11, that's probably for the overlay. It'll be Timber Mountain Halloween Hootenanny. And then Berry Tales 9/22 through 9/26. And Montezooma we're going to go check on. But today is the 4th was Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So today is the 6th. Today's the 7th. Today's the 7th. So what ride was closed through the 6th? The Carousel? It should be open. We'll go see.
Yeah.
All right, we'll go check it out. Let's go. All right, Knott's Scary Farm starts Thursday, September 18th. And you could hear outside, it sounded like a motorcycle was revving its engine. I was like, oh, it's a chainsaw, but no. A little Easter egg right here, the Sid Haas on this gravestone. Jeff Shattuck is head of park decor, so if you look at the name there, it's Shattuck backwards. Montezooma update. There is still a piece of the track missing there. This is on the Camp Snoopy side behind the balloons, and there goes the train. The station looks pretty much the same as the last time we were here. There is your Montezooma update. No opening date that we have. Gauntlet decor is going up, including those little castles. There's been somebody sitting in front of every one, so just take our word, they're there. So the ride is open. It should be starting here in just a second. Maybe. The Carousel de California is open, and so is Soul Spin. It's open. And we found a castle in Camp Snoopy in the Gauntlet that did not have a person sitting in front of it. Xcelerator closed for refurbishment, and the sky today is so pretty with those clouds. We just took an amazing picture with the Supreme Scream in it. We'll put it in at the end here. They have switched this stage over pretty quick. I mean, this is not done, but the work is going really quickly here. This is La Magnifique Carnival du Grotesque for Scary Farm, and during the day for Spooky Farm, they will have Crazy Kirk and the Hillbillies on this stage with the costume contest too. Looking forward to both. The classic candy store has been closed for a few weeks as they remodel it. Hopefully it'll be open by Scary Farm. And there was a sign in the window saying it was reopening, but that's gone. So hopefully it'll be any time now. There we go, Goring 20s. And please remember who came up with this idea first. Orlando. Origins, the Curse of Calico. Cannot wait. I have a funny feeling that this one may be going away next year, and this is one of my favorites. I think this should become a permanent staple, maybe just updated every year, but it fits in so well with Ghost Town that I think it should be an ongoing attraction. Well, not ongoing throughout the year, but it should be a staple of Scary Farm. Comment below if you agree. Or if they should build something like this that's permanent year-round.
Yes, that's what I want.
Like Universal used to have the House of Horrors. I think something like this would be perfect for Knott's. The Ghost Town Grill is fully decorated for Halloween. Less than 2 weeks. That is it for update here at Knott's Berry Farm. Of course, Scary Farm starts Thursday, September 18th, less than 2 weeks away. And if you cannot wait for Scary Farm, that Legacy store is open in the marketplace. And the old Emporium location has all sorts of Scary Farm merchandise. You definitely want to check it out. We were there during the Nightmares Revealed, and we were there the next day. We've been in like 3 or 4 times since, buying all sorts of stuff. So make sure you go in there, check out the Legacy store. So during non-Scary Farm hours, the Legacy store is open from the marketplace, the same hours as the marketplace. Then during Scary Farm, you can only access the Legacy store from inside of the park, behind Ghost Riders. So if you want to go ahead of time and get some shirts or hats or something to wear for Scary Farm, make sure you do it during normal park operating hours. During Scary Farm, you'll have to have a ticket to go into the Legacy store. Also, make sure you check out our video from this past Monday from Ghost Town Alive, the final hoedown of the season. It was a ton of fun. And if you love Halloween, check out our coverage from Halloween Horror Nights. All weekend we were here, 3 visits. We have all the houses, the scare zones, the shows, and the food, so you want to check that out. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let us know down in the comments what you're most excited for this Halloween season at Knott's. Follow us on social media, and we'll see you soon at Knott's. Thanks for watching.